गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ स्टूडेंट। आज हम पोटेंशियल के बारे में रीड करेंगे और पोटेंशियल का टॉपिक है पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू एन इन्फिनिटी चार्ज यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज डिस्क, यानी पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू एन यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज डिस्क। हमारे पास कोई एक डिस्क है और दिस इज द डिस्क इज द सरफेस एरिया डेल्टा ए गिवन द सेंटर ऑफ ओ and the 2 point of the radius and outer of the radius r, and interior of the radius x is the variation, and due to point A to point P, this is the potential is the variation of this is delta V. Potential is variation delta V is the hypotenuse value is the z is equal to x square plus r square. That is the potential is the formula of the 1 upon 4 pi ki epsilon dq upon z. This is the z is the value of hypotenuse x square plus r square. So 1 upon 4 pi del q is the value. This is the del q sigma into delta a, or this is the value of sigma into delta a. This is the 2 pi x into delta x. Is the disk of the area. Disk of the area 2 pi x into delta x into sigma upon root r square plus x square, and limitation of the value 0 to r, limitation of the value 0 to r. This is the v is equal to dv sigma upon 2 pi epsilon 0 to r x dx root x square plus r square. This is the outer of the radius is here point r, or r greater than x. We find that the potential is the sigma upon 2 epsilon, limitation of the value root r square plus small r square minus r, given the value of r is greater than 0. In case of the potential sigma upon 2 epsilon r square plus r, this is the value of interior. This is the due to point is a interior given of the radius less than 0. So at the center of the point O of the disk is the potential is the central is the V is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon into R. Because R is the less than, so we value is negligible. We can find that is the potential is the center is V is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon into R. So this is the value of sigma, and r is greater than capital R. We find the out of the disk. Out of the disk the potential is can never be 0, and r square plus r square upon 2r minus kr sigma r square upon 4 pi ki epsilon r square. So 4 pi r square, this is the both are multiplied by pi into pi. This is the given of the radius a is the sigma. So q is equal to sigma into a, or sigma into pi r square. So we find that the potential is the q upon 4 pi ki epsilon into r, yani ki this is the potential dependent of this r. Okay, thank you very much.